Eukaryotic cells, the building blocks of complex life. Cells are the fundamental units of life, but not all cells are created equal. In this video, we'll explore the eukaryotic cell, a powerhouse of complexity and organization that forms the basis of plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Let's dive into the fascinating world of eukaryotic cells and discover their components and functions. What are eukaryotic cells? Unlike their simpler prokaryotic counterparts, eukaryotic cells are larger, more complex, and highly organized. They contain a nucleus and various membrane-bound organelles, each performing a specialized function. These cells can exist as single organisms, like in protists, or as part of multicellular beings, such as plants and animals. Components of a eukaryotic cell and their functions. 1. The nucleus, the command center. At the heart of every eukaryotic cell is the nucleus, the control center. It contains DNA, the genetic blueprint that directs all cellular activities. The nuclear envelope surrounds the nucleus, regulating what enters and exits, while the nucleolus inside is responsible for ribosome production. 2. The cell membrane, the gatekeeper. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is a selectively permeable barrier that controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Composed of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins, it ensures that nutrients enter, waste exits, and signals are transmitted efficiently. 3. The cytoplasm, the cellular environment. The cytoplasm is the gel-like fluid filling the cell, where all organelles are suspended. It serves as the site for many chemical reactions that keep the cell functioning. 4. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Known as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria generate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency needed for cellular processes. They contain their own DNA, suggesting they were once independent prokaryotic organisms before becoming a part of eukaryotic cells, a theory known as endosymbiosis. 5. The endoplasmic reticulum, the cellular factory. The endoplasmic reticulum, is the cell's manufacturing and transport system. It comes in two forms. 1. Rough studded with ribosomes, it produces proteins for export. 2. Smooth lacks ribosomes and is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification. 6. Ribosomes, the protein builders. Ribosomes, whether free-floating or attached to the rough synthesize proteins, which are essential for cell function and repair. 7. The Golgi apparatus, the packaging and shipping center. The Golgi apparatus is the cell's packaging center. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids into vesicles for transport inside and outside the cell. 8. Lysosomes and peroxisomes, the cleanup crew. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste and damaged cell components, while peroxisomes help detoxify harmful substances, playing a vital role in cell maintenance. 9. The cytoskeleton, the cell's support system. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that maintains the cell's shape, assists in movement, and organizes organelles. It consists of 1. Microtubules, provide structural support and transport pathways. 2. Actin filaments, enable cell movement and division. 3. Intermediate filaments, maintain cell integrity. 10. The vacuole storage unit, mostly in plant cells. Vacuoles serve as storage compartments for water, nutrients, and waste. In plant cells, the large central vacuole also provides structural support and helps maintain turgor pressure. 11. Chloroplasts, the photosynthesis centers. Plant cells only, found only in plant cells. Chloroplasts capture sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. Like mitochondria, they contain their own DNA, further supporting the endosymbiotic theory. Why are eukaryotic cells important? Eukaryotic cells are the building blocks of multicellular organisms. By specializing into different cell types, they enable complex functions, such as 1. Muscle cells for movement. 2. Nerve cells for communication. 3. Red blood cells for oxygen transport. 4. Leaf cells for photosynthesis in plants. Eukaryotic cells are at the core of all complex life. Understanding their structure and function helps us appreciate the incredible machinery within us and all living things. Whether in humans, animals, or plants, these microscopic wonders work tirelessly to keep life going. This video is helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.